I've been given the important task today of picking the lunch place for me and a few friends at the office. And rather than going to the same old usual, I'm going to use my smartphone, my Android, and an app called Yelp to help pick the perfect place. Together with GPS, we're going to do something a little fun today. There are several apps that can help you find a restaurant when you're on the hunt, but our choice is a fantastic little app called Yelp. So now I select restaurants and I get either a list or a Google Map-like interface showing me all the nearby restaurants. All of this information is given with a rating, a price range, and whether they're open or closed. No clicking into websites or advanced screens for the basic information you'll need. Yelp also has this really cool feature built in called augmented reality. It uses the phone inside your camera to help map out your searches in real time. It's a real eye-popper. From the main screen, try clicking the monocle button. Check this out. Hold up your phone like you're taking a picture, and virtual push pins will hover over your display if there's a search result nearby, in this case, a restaurant.